Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box with me and I'm sitting at the fireplace because it's cold in Houston today. Today I'm going to show you skincare, Estee, Lauder products. I'm going to go ahead and open the box now. I'm going to move in front of me. I'm going to save these stuff for last. I'm going to put this down here on the wood. There's a small surprise in here. This is the box, but now I'm going to open this and I'm using the box and the brown box for the base. This is where we open it from. We can open it from any side. Let's go ahead and open the box. Whoa, this is so heavy. This is red and with the bow. It has a protecting case it has a protecting cover for the handle, and I think I can rip this apart. Yeah, I ripped it apart. I'm going to get this out. I'm going to open this up now. Now let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Here's the manual, and this is what's inside the box. The manual shows the two of the colors of the eyeshadow and the lipsticks, two of the lipsticks. And bottom here, it says all the things that comes in the guide. The bag. Are you guys ready to see what's inside the box? We have 3 gold with bows boxes. We have night serum, eye cream, lip gloss, 2 lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. Eye remover, makeup remover, mascara and cream. Moisturizer actually. For the neck and face. Let's see one by one now. I'm going to put it on my hand and I'm going to wash it off with something in this bag. I'm going to start with this one. Ooh, look at this pretty red color. It looks so good. I'm going to try it on my hand. I'm going to put it over there. I think this will be cold. Ooh. Look. This is how it looks. I'm going to take this. I'm going to close this and put the lid back on. Now let's see the next color. Let me put this back inside first. Here's the next one. Ooh, look at this pink. Let me put this on my hand now. I'm just going to put a little, not too much. This color looks so pretty on my hand. I love this. The super cool lipsticks of these, they have mirrors on. Even they can look at any direction. Next, I'm going to do the lip gloss. Oh, wow, this is the lip gloss. I'm just going to like do this. It smells like cherries. Ooh, these are the same colors. Next I'm going to do the pink lip gloss. These are hard to open. I think the pink and this color is going to be the same now. Oh, they are the same. Just this one, the liquid. This is how these two colors look. They're the lip glosses. These two are the lip glosses. They look pretty similar. Now I'm going to do the mascara. This is mascara, so we have to use for our eyelashes so they'll be long. Like mine right now, because I wear mascara already. Now let's see how this moisturizer looks. Ooh, cool. There. That's closed up. Now I think I want to show this. I finally got it up. This is Night Serum Night Eye Cream. I got it open. This is how it looks. It kind of looks similar to this cream. Now I'm going to show you the face serum. I'm gonna put this one. It's cold. This is how it looks. We have to put this on our face with our hand after this. Rub it on our hand and put it on our face. I'm just gonna do it on my hand right now. Now let's see what these are. I'm gonna do this one first. Look. Let me check this out. Look. This is how it looks. It has a mirror and there's one bronzer and two blushes. Now let's see what's in the next one. This is the second one I'm doing. This is the one. It comes with a cover sheet. These are all the colors. I'm gonna take three colors from this one and this, and this. I'm gonna do the purple color first. That's the first color. Let me put a little bit. I should see. Yep, that's enough. This is the first color I'm putting on. Good. This color next. I'm gonna do this color. That's gonna nail. This is the next color, and I'm gonna do the darkest color now in this one. Oh, I can have so much. I'm gonna wash this off. Here we go. No, this is gonna all the colors. Let me put this back. And this is kind of a peach color, peaches color. I think the next one's gonna be a different color one. Oh, it's hard. I think I can do it with that one. Let's make this. Yeah. Before I go to the next one, let me clean out this mess off from my hand. I'm using a makeup remover wipe from Neutrogena. I'm going to clean all this mess off with my hand. First I'm going to do my finger because my finger has three different colors combined. And then with my finger now I have to do my hand. That's so much makeup on my hand. I hope the next one will be a different one instead of this. Oh my gosh, that's so much makeup. Why is the lipstick coming off? It's just even a little color on top for the lipstick. The red is staying a little. This is how much the red is staying. I'm trying to get it off. Oh, wait, nope. I think I can leave that. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to open up the next now. Wait a minute, this is our shadow palette. I think this one is too because I think there are two colors of the shadow palette. Oh, I was right. It's there. Oh, it's another one. this time I'm going to use this color, this shiny pink color here, this color there, and this color over here. First I'm going to start with this gold color. I think this color is gold. I think it's gold because gold is kind of cool. I love gold. Just put it right on my hand there. Oh, can you see the gold? I think I'm going to wipe off with my finger with the white. Next color. Which one? This one. I think I want to do the dark color now. That's enough. I'm putting it right next to the gold. Ooh, that looks like a light pink. This has more pink than any other color. See, that has more pink than any other color. This tissue has more pink on it. And now I'm going to try this white thing over here. On my finger, I'm just going to take a little. Just that much of that. And put it on my skin. There, that's how it looks. I'm going to wipe this off. Now I'm going to do the surprise of the makeup. Since I'm going to do the big surprise, then the small surprise. We have 2 eyeshadows, 2 blushes, and 1 bronzer. Night serum and night cream. Night cream. It's for night and for cream and it's cream. This is cream for the face and neck. This is face remover, makeup remover. Some mascara, pink lip gloss and red lip gloss. Pink lip. Lipstick, pink lipstick and red lipstick. That's all we have in here. We have 2 night serums, 1 night cream for eyes, and cream. Moisturizer, actually. Now this is my favorite. Here it is. I'm going to take one by one out. Oh, it's a small box. It's right here. It's a straw. Well, this one isn't the small, one of these though, but we just put that in there. Look how cute these creams are. Look how cute these creams are. Today I'm going to show you guys skincare Lauder. Today I'm going to show you guys skincare products. Bye bye. In this set we got 2 eyeshadow and 1 big and 1 blush and but you come more like that and then look at you. I'm looking. How should I put it on my hand? Hope you guys like my videos. If you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.